I am back with another declutter. Today is going to be concealers. I'm decluttering every topic or every area of makeup in my collection, and today's concealers. I decluttered quite a few of these out a few months ago. This is what I was down to. I've gotten some new concealers since. So we're gonna go together and declutter stuff, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. If you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Cassie. I hope you enjoy this declutter series. It has been quite the process. I cannot believe how much stuff I've gotten rid of, but it feels really, really good. So this is what we're doing today. If you are new, please subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that notification bell. That way you're notified of any new videos, and let's get into it. Let's start with this side. This is the Bobbi Brown Creamy Concealer. I just really don't reach for this very often. It's in Porcelain Bisque. There's nothing wrong with it. It's a very loved concealer. It's pretty light on me. Like, I have no self-tan on, and that's pretty light. I've had it for a really long time, and I just don't reach for it. So I'm gonna pass that on. This will be the pass on side. This will be the keep side. I have this Becca. This is in Banana. It's their corrector. I don't reach for these type of products all that often. Oh, that's really yellow. Yeah, that's too yellow for my skin, so I'm gonna pass that one on. This will go in the trash. This I'll pass on to a friend. This NARS one I love. It's in the shade Creme Brulee. It's one of my all-time favorite concealers. I'm keeping that. I use it all the time. Obviously, I've almost hit pan on that. This is another Becca one. This is newer. This is in light to medium. I do really like this one. See how it's more of a peachy tone? This is fantastic for under eye darkness. I know that with a new little baby coming, and as I get more pregnant, my sleeping gets a lot worse, so I need to cover up those under eye bags, and this is great. This one I'm gonna pass on. It is the Maybelline Master Camo. This is in a brighter, like, orange color, which is just a little bit too dark for me, so I'm gonna pass that on. This is another Becca under eye brightening concealer. Is this the same thing? This one's light to medium, and then this is just regular, which one was sent to me, and then I bought one because I really wanted to try it, and it looks like it's the same thing. Well, I'll probably keep one and pass one on. I'm really debating because I feel like I'm just going to be using it a ton soon, so I'll put them both over here for now. Okay, we have an erase paste. I used to like this stuff, number 2 from Benefit in medium. I like the Becca one better. This is just a lot thicker and goopier, so I'll pass that on. Okay, I have 2 of these Anastasia ones. These are actually really nice. I don't like them for under my eyes, but for brow cleanup, they're fantastic. I have the shade 1 and 1.5. So that's 1, and this is 1.5. I think I'll get rid of, well, actually, I feel like I used 1.5 a little bit more. Let me give them a little swatch. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of 1.5. That's just too dark. And shade 1. Yeah, I'll keep 1, and I'll get rid of 1.5. I have this Pro Conceal from LA Girl. I feel like I keep trying to love this, and I just haven't fell in love with it, so I'm gonna pass it on. I've bought them, decluttered it, sent to me, decluttered it, sent to me again, and decluttering it again. All right, I have 2 of these Prep and Prime. This one is in Bright Forcast, and this one is in Highlighter Light. So let's see. Do you remember when these used to be all the rage? The pink one? Like, I can't remember the name, but everyone used to love it. I feel like, are we dried up? Oh, there it is. Ooh, wow, that is very light. Oh gosh, I poured out way too much. Shoot. I actually love this formula. It's very light. This would be good for highlighting. It's very, very light though. Let me think about it. And then this one in Bright Forcast is more of a peachy one, but it actually, it's kind of dried out. I'm gonna declutter that one, back to MAC it. Okay, I have these from Urban Decay. The peach and the pink, I just never reach for them, so I'm gonna pass those on to somebody who will use them. I still haven't tried this CoverGirl Etherealist. I just don't know if I'm going to. I'm gonna pass that on. I have a couple of them. Here's the other one. Okay, this Estee Lauder Double Wear. This is a fantastic concealer. I always forget to reach for it because it's been buried under all my concealers. I have the shade 1C Light. I'm gonna keep that. Oh, this HD concealer. Y21. See, some people just love this, and I just feel like I didn't. Oh, wow, that's just very light. It's way too light. That's the problem. That was very light, and like I said, I have no self-tanner on right now. I'm going to toss this True Match pencil. I just don't really love pencil ones all that much. This is a stick one in shade 1.0, and it's the Matchmaster. I just don't really like stick ones all that much. I'm gonna back to MAC that. I've had it for a really long time. I'm gonna keep this one in light. And, oh yeah, these will be back to MAC. All right, the Master Conceal in fair and in light. I think fair is too light. Is it? Let's see. Oh, that needs to be mixed up for sure. I like the tone on that. See, it's a little bit more peachy toned. And then this one is in the shade light. Oh gosh. You know what? I'm gonna declutter these. They are a little bit watery coming out. I've had them for probably 3 years. Okay, these used to be my favorite, these Urban Decay. I bought so many of these when they went on clearance on the Urban Decay website forever ago. They're in the shade CIA, and I used to love these for highlighting because it was such a nice light color that worked well for my skin. And you can see there, they're really nice. I don't need both though. That one's broken. I'll keep one, declutter the other. Okay, these are the exact same in pale pink. Yeah, I don't need both of these. I actually don't think I'm gonna use either of them. I'm gonna back to MAC those. Okay, I have tons of MAC Pro Longwear Concealer because this used to be just my favorite. I decluttered some shades already. What do I have here? NC15, those are NC15s. NW15, NW20, NW20, that looks, this looks way darker. I wonder if that went bad. It's not even mixing. Yeah, that one I think went bad. NC25, that's never been my shade. NW20 and NW20, that one's also gone dark. Okay, I like that NW20. Doesn't smell weird or anything. But I can tell some of those went discolored. Oh, that one still squirts out good. Okay, I'm gonna keep these two NW20s. I will keep the NC15 and the NW15 because I'll definitely use these. So, hey, I'm doing pretty good so far. This thing was pretty full, and now that's all that I have. So, okay, and these are back to MAC. These I'm gifting, those I'm throwing away. Let's move to this side. This is newer, the Catrice Concealer. I have the shade 10 and 005 Light Neutral. I like these. I'm keeping those. These Tarte ones I don't really like, but I'm finishing them up. This is in the shade Light and Light Medium, so I'm keeping them because I'm finishing them, and then I probably won't repurchase them. All right, Instant Age Rewind in the pink brightener. I love that. I'm keeping that. I love this Sephora one. This one's in Buttercream. It looks a little pretty light though. It looks pretty light. Oh, but the formula is so nice. That actually is not too light. I like that. I'm definitely more of the doe foot applicator kind of girl. It's mainly what I prefer. Okay, Laura Mercier. I have quite a few, but I'm absolutely madly, truly madly, deeply, do you guys remember? In love with this concealer. They sent me a bunch of them, and I really, really like them. Oh, here's another CoverGirl one I can get rid of. Okay, so the shades that I use every day is 1C. So I'm keeping those because I use 1C, and I mix 1C with 2N when I am a little bit tanner, and 1N when I'm a little bit more fair. And then I have 2C, which I think I'll keep the C ones. Maybe I'll get rid of this warm one. It might be too yellow. Yeah, so, oh gosh. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of the warm and I'm gonna keep the C because I love these so much and I use them every day. What else do we have here? This is NW15 from MAC. I'm back to MAC that. I've had that forever. We have some Urban Decay Naked. Quite a few. Let's see here. There's another one. Okay. So the Urban, all right, so we have some Urban Decay Naked. Light Warm I can get rid of because I won't use that one. Medium Light, that's gonna be too dark. So I have two fair neutrals, a fair warm. I have 3 fair neutrals, which that's the color I normally use. That one is fair warm, and these ones are fair neutral. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of the fair warm. I'm gonna keep the fair neutral because I love mixing, either using this when I'm more tan as a highlight down the center of my nose, or I love using it under my eyes when I'm really pale, or mixing this with another one. So that shade I really like. Okay, these Kylie Cosmetics ones. I bought these and I don't know if I got the right shade. This is Gypsum. I just feel like that's too dark. And then this one is Sand. Yeah, those are just too dark. I think I'm gonna sell these on Mercari. I've used them once or twice and they're just too dark. So I'm gonna put that in the sell pile. Makeup Revolution, love this. This is in C3, fantastic concealer. All right, we have the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealers, which I actually do like these. Get rid of Fair Warm, get rid of Medium Light Neutral, because that's gonna be too dark. Get rid of Light Warm, and I'm gonna keep Light Neutral and Fair Neutral. Another great concealer is the Becca one. I have Fair, Porcelain, and Light. Fair looks really yellow. Okay, that's Fair. This is Porcelain. Yes, I like that shade. And then this one is Light. That's more peachy. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of Fair and keep the other 2. All right, these are Perricone MD ones. The shade Fair, and I don't know what this other shade is. I've never used these, so I'm very curious about them. I do like some Perricone MD makeup. Their No Foundation foundation is really nice. That's too dark. I'll keep the Fair to try. All right, this is the Wet n Wild Concealer, the Photo Focus. I'm gonna trash that. Born This Way Concealer. This is the original one. I don't know if they redid this one. I have all the other ones too, but they're in a pile of testing new products. I don't love the new one for under my eyes, but I love the darker one for contouring. But I do love this original concealer formula. This one is in the shade Light. Magic Lumi, I love that. This is the L'Oreal Infallible in 01. These run super dark. And I've already finished one of these. Oh, this really separated. That's weird, I have not had this very long. I'm gonna pass that one on because that's really weird that it's all gloopy. Let's do these Colourpop ones. I have a bunch, I've decluttered so many, and this is what I kept. So let's see, where do we start? Fair Neutral 10. Ooh, yes, that's a great color. This color, the Colourpop ones are so good. I love that one. This one's Light 20. That might be a little yellow. This one is Medium 20. Ooh, I like that. I'll get rid of Light 20. This one is Fair 5. This one is Light 16. Those look very similar. This one is Light 12. Ooh, I like Light 12 way better. I'll pass these 2 on. Those are too yellow. This one is Light 18. I'll pass that one on. And then this one is Light Neutral. Ooh, I like that. Well, that was easy. So the other 2 Born This Way concealers in Very Fair and Fair. Love that tone. Let's It's more of that pinky beige that works best for my skin tone. And then this one, ooh, that's good too. Yep, keeping those. And then I really like the Lock-It ones in L9 neutral and L15 neutral. They have such a nice shade range. Really like these. Yeah, that's a good one for when I'm a little darker. So not too bad. I actually did better than I thought. These are all being given away, trash, back to MAC, selling, and then I'm keeping these, which concealer is another thing I use every day. And so I did good. I did better than I thought. I still kept quite a few concealers. This is definitely more than I need, but I did better than I thought I was going to do. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new and give this video a thumbs up before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.